Welcome to all of you. Success is something which is not easy to get. It is not an accident, it is not a matter of chance. Success is something which we get after a lot of dedication, lot of hard work, faith and so many other things. Today in DBMCI headquarters, it's a day of celebration. It's a day to celebrate the success of our student, Dr. Mona, who has just secured rank 406 in INI-CET 2022 exam. We just like to congratulate on the behalf of whole DBMCI team. Congratulations, Dr. Mona.
Thank you, sir.
And it's really privilege for us that she has spared some time for us and to guide us like how to prepare for the exam, how to go about the exam. So Dr. Mona, can you please tell us about your journey? How have you prepared for this exam and what all exactly you want to say about the juniors?
Sure, sir. First of all, I would like to thank Dr. Bhatia Institute. So all the teachers here are very, very good, very awesome. Their teaching skills are very nice. They are all available whenever I can try to contact them on the Telegram. They are always available there. Their teaching skills in this class, the art of making the concepts very easy. They very easy simplify the topics, and it's like it's get fit in your brain. So the teachers here are very good. So I started my preparation during my third year, and in third year I just completed my mini prop subjects only, ENT, Optha and PSM, and in the final year I did my final year subjects. I didn't get time to do a first year and second year in these days. So in internship I did my first year and second year then, and brushed up my third year and final year again then.
So third year subjects you have completed in mini prof only, and
yes,
the final year subjects you have done in your final year, right?
Yeah.
And first and second year you have covered in your internship.
Yes, internship.
So doctor, like you have started your preparation in third year. So many students ask this question, like whenever they come back from college, like 5 p.m., 6 p.m. to their hostel room, so they are not very well motivated enough to prepare for the exam. Also in third year they are relaxed. There is no pressure on them.
Yes,
so they do not remain motivated to prepare for the exam, and also they didn't have the direction at that time, like how to go about the exam. So what do you say, like when you used to come back to your hostel room and you were all tired with your whole day schedule, and now you are not, your brain is saying, Mona, just go and sleep, don't prepare for the exam, then how you motivate yourself at that time?
Yeah, I would say if your brain says if you want to sleep, then go to sleep. If you are feeling sleepy now, then don't study. You won't be able to study. So just take a nap of 1 or 2 or whatever. I usually take a nap of 1 to 2 hours a day. Without 2 hours, I can't study. So I used to came back at 4 p.m. and then have my lunch and all that, and then usually rest for 1 or 2 hours, and then by 6 or 7 p.m. I start to get study, and then study for 4 to 5 hours, or sometimes 3 to 4 days. And there were days when I didn't study even. So I think mini prof subjects are not that lengthy, that you can easily cover them in the third prof only. No, the ENT, Optha are small, short subjects, so you can cover them by studying 3 to 4 hours a day. You can easily cover them. So.
Okay, and Dr. Mona, like if I compare my preparation with yours, like I prepared long back. So at that time we used to start preparing for our exam in internship or maybe after the internship. And now you are saying that you are prepared in third year. But as the competition is going on, right, it's growing day by day. So can you suggest, what about your suggestion about first and second year students? Like there are a lot of institutes who are offering so many courses and so many conceptual videos are available online. So what do you suggest them, whether they should start from first or second year itself, or they should wait till come to the third year and then they start the preparation?
So actually, I would suggest they should start preparing from the first year onwards, because as the competition is so increasing, so if you, I think, start preparing in the last of your MBBS, like third year, fourth year, you won't be able to cover first, second, third, and able to memorize the this exam demands you more revision. You should have, I think, 3 to 4 revision to excel in your examination. If you start preparing from third and fourth year onwards, then you will be able to confirm to do only one reading for third year and fourth year. You won't be able to cover first and second year with that that much. So you should start preparing from the first year onwards. So there are many courses available, revision courses and face-to-face classes. If you can avail those face-to-face classes, there are much better as compared to the recorded lecture on available on any app, because the face-to-face classes, the contact with the teacher, the direct interaction help us to retain much better than just listening to a recorded lecture. So I'd suggest you should start preparing from first year onwards, but keep studying your standard textbook. Don't just rely on the these videos. You can form your foundation with these, but also side by side keep studying standard textbook also.
Right. Thanks, Dr. Mona, for this suggestion. Now, there are many students who are texting us. They have given this exam. They have also given the exam of this NEET PG 2022, as well as they have given now INI-CET November exam. And many of them are not being able to clear this exam. Now they are targeting this March to NEET 2023. So what do you suggest them? Like, how should they go for their preparation? Now the things are over, like the AIMS results have been out, the INI-CET result is out, and they are not able to get a good rank. Some of them might have got rank, but they are not getting the seat of their choice. So what do you suggest them? For these 3 months are very crucial for them. So how do they should go for this?
Like if you have started your preparation from this after this May 2022 NEET wala, so basically you have started your preparation from June or July onwards. So you must have completed 1 or 2 readings, at least 1 or 2 readings you must have completed. So it just now 3 and 3.5 months are left. So I would suggest you should do revision. You should do more revision and more question practice, and emphasis on the PYQs, of what exactly they are asking and what exactly from which topic they are asking. It's not like you have to study whole of the subject with the minute details. Obviously you have to study all of the subjects, but just form a foundation, just form a basis like what is there in that topic. You don't have to memorize each and every detail of the topic. I would suggest you should focus on what is being asked. You focus on the previous year questions and then study from that topic with great detail. Like this topic, in this topic, this particular thing is being asked again and again. So read that with great detail. So like that, I would suggest if 3.5 months are left, so you can do one or 2 or 3 times more revisions. So you will be able to achieve a good rank.
So what a crux I have got from her advice, that students should concentrate on the content which has already been asked. So as a student, you should be very thorough with the things which are already been asked and which are important for exam. So I've come across with many students who are answering on the Telegram groups. They are doing some MCQs on Telegram groups. People have started so many Telegram groups nowadays, and there are so much content available online. So guys, I just would like to tell you, like, we people are in this field, like not DBMCI. There are many other institutes who are into this field, and we are guiding students since long back. So I suggest you to just follow the advice of the teachers. Whatever they tell you that this is important and this can be asked in your exam, just follow that advice. Do not waste your time for the topics which are not important, because there are many people who are putting the questions and you people get diverted to those topics which are actually not important and they're not been asked in your exam. So as like she has advised, concentrate on the things which are important, which is asked in the previous exams, and PYQs are very important. And also, like, my suggestion is to go for the revision program, and because if you are join any revision program, then obviously you will come to know which topics are more important and can be targeted for the NEET exam. Okay, and Dr. Mona, one more question from you. Like, if a student hasn't prepared for the NEET exam, like he hasn't started his preparation, now it's in November. So, what is the advice for that student? Like, if he just want to give a try in the March exam, or if he just want to clear the exam, because there are many students who have the good concepts, and they have ability to clear the exam. But because of XYZ reason, they are unable to start their preparation, or they are not able to prepare for the exam in a good direction or in a good manner. So, what do you suggest them? Like, how they can utilize these 4 months?
I would say if you have good concepts, then you should join any revision videos, because if you start to watch now the whole of the lectures, like INICET has I think 100 or something like that lectures. If you start to watch those big lectures, you won't be able to complete in 4 months, and not just completing, you have to revise them and retain the information. So I'd like to say you should join some revision courses, like many institutes are offering revision courses. So you can join one of them, and if you are able to join face-to-face classes classes, that would be much better. But if you are in any remote college or wherever, so you can join revision courses. They are much better.
Right. So they'll get maximum out of it.
Yes, sir.
Definitely. And Dr. Mona, what's your next plan now? Like you have cleared this exam and this euphoria is going on. I know like you must be very happy, and I can imagine that feeling. As a part of DBMCI, like it's not your success only. Like as a faculty, we people are also happy because your success is something reflecting our hard work also.
Yes, sir.
So
Definitely.
what's your next plan? Like which college you are planning to join and which branch would you like to take?
As per branch, I have always dreamed of taking a general surgery as my career. So I'll take which college I'll get, and let's see what happens next.
Okay, that's really good. So nowadays, like I have seen many female doctors are opting for this general surgery branch, and I'm really happy to know that like females are going for these branches. So it's really nice talking to you, Dr. Mona, and really a big congrats for you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you. Thanks a lot.